the market is being destroyed, as you can see right there. You see what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about, fam? So yeah, the 1:1 is being destroyed already, man. As you can see, the trade is moving nicely into profit. Look at here, up on 100. Just because of a silly mistake of a spread, I would have not even taken a loss here. But then it is what it is, man. It's a lesson, as I said.
Yes, so guys, that is day one of flipping 200 to 10,000 rand. So right now we're up $400. So
my break even, they do get 2-1 way. I just put my break even there, and then they just go to the hit the break even. Then that is a 0% trade, so there's no money. Quick ad, guys. So I just recently found out about this broker called FXGT. So guys, let me plug you in. So with this broker, guys, you are given 50% welcome bonus on your first deposit, and then a 25% unlimited loyalty bonus for every deposit, guys. And we have a maximum leverage of 1:5,000. The trading conditions are immaculate. There's zero swaps, zero fees, spreads are starting from 0 pips, and there's also 24/7 real support, which is not a joke, just like the other brokers, man. And verifying in this platform is very much easy. It took me around 10 minutes to verify my account, and I was able to fund. So guys, this broker is the one that I'm using for the flipping challenge, and I did explain the advantages of using FXGT, especially if you are growing small accounts, because you get the bonuses which we use to our advantage in using a bigger lot size, right? I did explain in the previous video how to take advantage of FXGT, and yeah, man, so we can use this platform very much immaculate conditions than all of the brokers out there, because this one has the lowest of spreads, man. Trust me on this one. So do check out fxgt.com on the description of the video. Well, let's get back to the flipping challenge.
So right now, guys, we just entered again, right? On top of the morning, another day to flip the account, man. So this is gonna be another day. So the other day we flipped successfully, and then there's this position that I'm looking at right now. As you can see, there it is. This is the one to touch. Okay, so I'm just waiting for that retracement entry. If it happens, I'm gonna enter. So it's been a minute since I recorded this week. So I recorded on Monday, and today is Friday. So this is going to be the first week of the flip, and this is going to be a possible trade that we might take. And it's a very beautiful trade, by the way, because if I can show you like this, as you can see that rejected off of this value area update. So that was a double top like that, and then it started to go down, right? As you know, when we are at these areas, sorry, we usually take the 15 minutes, 1 hour flag entries, you know, and this is a very nice one. It has a bit of structure in it, you know what I'm saying? So it's only left with 9 minutes right there. So here at Fixbook, where I usually calculate my lot size, right, for the flipping. Okay, so because we're still flipping 200 rand, the accounts are just gonna put 10k my boom, right? Just, it doesn't matter though. And then here I'm gonna say swap with mine, right, so that you can put the mine instead of the rates, because you don't know the rates, right? It's gonna be $11, okay? And then the pips, so we can go here. I'm gonna go for 10 pips. Yeah, why not? I'm gonna go for 10 pips, man. But 10 pips is a little bit tight. Now let's see, maybe, yeah, 10, depending on how this one will close. But then I'm gonna use a smaller stop loss though, because if this trade is gonna play out, it's gonna play out. It's not gonna mingle around, you know. That is what I usually do currently when I'm trading, man. I usually use a smaller stop loss, because my trades, the ones that usually play out, they don't play around. So when I now have a bigger stop loss and then the trade wins, I'm cutting short my risk to reward, man. I'm doing myself down, you know, vibe. So yeah, man, so right now I'm just waiting for this one to close, and then I'm going to be executing on the phone. So I'm going to do a screen recording when I'm about to execute. But as for now, let me just wait, and then you see how it forms, because this can just retrace and go up, right? Because my entry is going to be the 15 minute. You're only left with 8 minutes to enter, and the retrace is forming, okay? I'll lie. 10 pip here is fine, man. I'm gonna be executing like that. Hopefully it closes the way I want it to close. Look at the drawdown, man. I'm getting cooked. This position, why, bro? Look at that retrace there on the 5 minute, on the 15, sorry. Shit. But then I have my stop protected above there, and I also took this trade on my prop firm account. I'm down 100 USD right now. Yo, it's mad, dog. Yo, look at the spread, how big the spread is, man. The spread is so big. Like, even on the prop firm, like, you're in ZT, what's happening, man? What's up with the big spread? You wanna make me lose, bro? No, don't do this to me, man. Don't do this to me, man. I need this money out, bro. Ah, shit, damn. But then if it's an L, man, so I'm still gonna continue watching the trade, and it's not sitting well with me, man. I won't lie. Like, oh, wow. Yeah, damn, man. That is a very big retrace, bro. That is a very big retrace, man. Man, if it's gonna be an L day, it's gonna be an L day. It's no problem, man. I'm still gonna post this video for y'all because, yeah, we're being straight up honest, bro. You see this thing I don't like? The trade hasn't even yet hit my stop loss. Just the spreads took me out here, and I don't know why, man. It hasn't even hit the stop loss, bro. This fucking prop firms, bro. And imagine if this retraces, man, and then like doesn't even hit the stop loss. Hopefully on my NC5 I'm still in its inside. Let me check this out. Here there's still no trade yet taken, so good. Oh, it's a real account, by the way. So right now, guys, we just entered again, right? I'm just gonna put it here, the sell stop. I wanted the 50% range, but then the thing is, this pair on its own has like very wide spreads, because if it was the broker, the prop firm wouldn't did the same as it did, but then it did. Now, like, we're going to be doing it like this. I just put in 18 pip stop loss, so this is just going to be a lesson, man, that okay, I should also confirm the spread sometimes when we're entering the positions, okay? Because you see, this thing wasn't even a loss because it didn't hit my stop loss, first of all. And if this happens, it comes down again, I would be very sad, because like, this was a nice position, as I said, and then it plays out. Now I'm just going to be recovering only, like nothing much, you see. And yeah, man, but then next time I'll look first, especially I look to confirm with the prop firms, because the prop firms usually give a better view on the spreads. If you don't trust the platform, maybe you'll be using at that particular time, right? So let me just do this. Go to my favorite symbols and check euro. You see, like, you see this thing, you see how thin euro USD spread is. You see how, even if you can go to the 15 minutes, you see, like, there's no spread, man. This is how this thing should be like. So that one, I think I just made a little mistake. Look, we're able to see that there's a little bit of spread weight on the 5-minute time frame, but then if you go to the 1 hour, it's still thin as ice, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's just a lesson though, and yeah, I'm good with it, man, because I know I won on Monday, so it's not a problem. But then it's a lesson as I'm going through this challenge, which okay, and this is going to even help me even on my other accounts, because now I know that okay, I should take into account the spread sometimes, because they can take you out without price actually it taking you out, because their price didn't take me out, you know, it was just the spread, right? So if I can check here, let me just check euro. So okay, the spread is 46. That's the problem, so I should take that into account next time I'm trading, okay? And add a few pips for the stop. As you can see, GBP USD just 6, like GJ 10, so 40 was too much, bruh. See the spreads: 80 USD 5, USD JPY 3, USD CHF 7, and then that's how I get 40. So yeah, man, it is what it is, man. I'm sad it happened, but then yeah, I had to experience it for you guys, so that you can also have a lesson from this video, okay? So yeah, that is a very bad L, and look at how this thing is now rejecting, coming back, and the spreads took me out, and it's very like annoying, bro. It's very annoying, I won't lie, because this trade didn't hit me. I hit my like stop loss. If it did, I would have been okay, like, but not it reversing there, because I knew my stop loss was above there. But then now the shit is happening on me, bro. Like, yo, I'm so mad, bro. I'm so mad. Damn. But then let me leave this at here. So I put my sell stop again. So what I'm gonna do here is just gonna be a recovery trade if it plays out in it. So it doesn't matter, but I also have to like have a maybe let's say a 1:3, and a 1:1.3, because for the spreads, because if I'm gonna make profit straight on 1:1, that thing is gonna like do the thing it did. It's gonna cut me on a small profit than anticipated profit. But then I'm gonna update you guys on this. So like, I'm just experiencing this now as I'm making this video. Imagine, bro, the market is being destroyed, as you can see right there. You see what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about, fam? So yeah, the 1:1 is being destroyed already, man. As you can see, the trade is moving nicely into profit. Look at here, we're on up on 100. Just because of a silly mistake of a spread, I would have not even taken a loss here. But then it is what it is, man. It's a lesson. As I said, the lessons have to be taken then, and next time I'm gonna do the right thing. But then, as you see, guys, we had that loss, pick one, and then now we just destroyed Euro NZT like that. And it was it had to be destroyed in the first place, man. In the first place, the trade has to be destroyed. It didn't even take me out. Look, it didn't even go to my stop loss right there. But then the spreads did me bad, and then this shit is happening right now. The market is in here, man. As you can see, nice long candlestick to the downside. I haven't even bought it, bro, and already taking lessons. So L is for lessons for not losing. Like, I'm not a losing trader, but yeah, man, I'm trying my best right here to flip this shit, and the shit is doing me like this. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna take a photo now, and I'm gonna continue with the day. If there's gonna be any other flips, I'm gonna be showing it on a video. But guys, yes, it's going mad, man. And this week I underperformed, man. There was no electricity in my area. There was an electricity crisis, man. So on Wednesday, I think there was a trade on GBP USD, and it was very amazing, right? And yeah, man, the trade got killed. The trade got destroyed. I didn't destroy that, but the guys in the Discord did. Me, I was in there, so it was a very nice trade. So I would have counted profits from that trade, man. You know what I'm saying? I would have won that trade, and it would also boosted me in my profit, bro. For now, I was sitting on a break even for the week because, as I said, we won Monday, right? Monday we won, and now we're losing based off this stupid shit, the spread nonsense, bro. But I know now this minor pays have bigger spreads naturally in them than the normal spreads. And another thing that I made a mistake at, that I noticed, my MetaTrader, there's no like the spreads. I have to change the colors, man, on MT5 so I can see properly, right? But then next time, bro, I'm just gonna take that into account. And I wish this trade I just make it a 1:2 just to make the profit back and then gain another one, you know. But then that's not the rules, man. The rules are saying it's a 1:1, so I shouldn't break those rules, because imagine the trade hitting a 1:1 and then it retraces, but then I would have recovered, right? So maybe I would have been up for the week with the flipping challenge. But then yeah, man, the trade is looking okay now. It's just stalling there on the end area of entry. But man, I hate this, bro. I hate it, bro. But then I'm just gonna record the trade and put the comments that, okay, next time I should take into account spreads. I know I like to taking a smaller stop loss. It is fine. The smaller stop loss, I've been grinding the smaller stop loss for the longest of time now, and it works, because once a trade is it's gonna play out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But sure, the trade did not like hit my tip, like my stop loss. It's just like the spreads were very big, so I didn't take that into account. But next time I should look good. Okay, am I trading major pays? Major pays are usually fine. Minor pays and exotic pays, bro, you're gonna get fucked. Not fucked, but then you just need to like taking that into account. So guys, take this lesson on this video. What I like about me making videos of myself doing stuff here on YouTube is that I always give value, man. Right now we just tested with the boy, so use this as a lesson. Be the smarter person, learn from my mistakes, right? And yeah, man, and I didn't know that was a mistake because I just like that. But then spreads are there. Everyone should know that by now, that spreads are there. Just that, man, it's been a minute since this shit happened to me, right? So yeah, man, let's check it out, the trade, and then I'm gonna take you through the whole day of flipping. So this is just a flipping video. It's not a day in a life, guys. It's a me flipping. So just gonna be showing you the stress I'm going through now. And I'm not okay, man. I'm not okay, but then it is what it is. Nothing much to lose because I've been winning so far, man. So I'm cool, calm, and collected. I shouldn't be unfazed with this thing because I'm still having a trade on hold just because I re-entered, right? So yeah, man, I've made almost $12 in this trade, so the account has officially been doubled. So this is day one. So guys, as you can see, the trade was taken right here, but then I didn't show. But then I closed the trade because I didn't want this thing to retrace on me, just like how it's doing right now. But man, yeah, these are up $22 right now. So here's all, guys. That is day one of flipping 200 to 10,000 rand. So right now we're up $400. So we're killing this challenge, man. So already I have a buffer of 2 trades, 2 risks, so that I can continue killing the Forex market with this thing. User.
Okay, guys, so it's the following day now. So as you guys seen on the previous clips, I was able to recover that minor mistake that happened due to me not catering for spreads when I was flipping the accounts. But then I did eventually kill the forex market, right? So I just want to share a few words and advices if you are doing this challenge with me. Okay, so guys, yeah man, let me just do a recap for the whole video. So in all, I had 3 trades, right? I had the trade on Monday, which I won, and then the trade on Friday, 2 trades on Friday, which one was the mistake, and then I also entered again, and then I eventually killed it. Okay, so yeah, that was it, man. So I have basically I'm up 200. I'm not down, I'm up regarding the mistakes I did, but I'm still up. So the net balance of the challenge now is I'm up 400 bucks. So I'm still left with how many flips, because you have to do how many 4 flips, right? So let me just say 3, because I just did 2 successful flips and I lost 1. So the net flip profit is 1, so I'm still left with 3 flips. So I'm going to be doing this thing weekly, and the fact that is that trades do not come every day, guys. I have to be patiently waiting for the trades and not just entering any position. Given this is a flipping challenge, I have to wait for A grade setups only, and that is also going to assist me in following my trading plan crucially, right? I'm not going to be rushing any trades. So if I'm not posting for a while, the challenge thing, there's no trades. I'm a Falcon trader. I know how to follow my rules, so I'm not just going to act on randomly and impulsively just for the fact that I have to give content here. But then if I do take a trade, is it a loss or profit, it's gonna be recorded and posted as maybe day 2, day 3, day 4 of the flip, right? So yeah man, but then recently I'm having many trades, which is very good, right? And then yeah, for the Falconians, guys, the market is very slow in the sense that, okay, we do have the trades, but then however most of the trades, they're not playing out. They're just going for a 1:1 and then they go to break even. So that is why I decided it's okay, let me just flip the accounts, because you see I'm not making any money from the prop firm challenges. Because why? All of my positions, majority of them are break evens. What do I mean by break even? They do get 2 1:1 where I just put my break even there, and then they just go to hit the break even. Then that is a 0% trade, so there's no money made. And then so that is why I have to keep on flipping. And by the way, I'm not flipping this account alone, I'm flipping another account as well, which is now at 1,001.2. so I've been flipping, but then because I'm doing the challenge for YouTube now, I have to start from scratch on a different account, right? So yeah, with that said, guys, I can also accept you. As I said, if you want to join me for the flipping challenge, all you need to do is just to fund on FXGT. The link is going to be below. Fund the minimum deposit is $50, by the way, so it's gonna be like 900 and something rands, but then just calculate properly the dollars. That's the minimum, which is very fine. And what is nice about that is that you're going to be keeping your money in the wallet, right? And every time you make a deposit on your account, you're gonna get that 25% deposit bonus, which you'll use, and you'll add risk on that particular trade of yours and risk more. Does it happen it wins, you win more profit. Happen it loses, you don't lose anything, you just lose your deposit amounts, because you're not losing any percentages, because that is the broker's advantage that they give us, right? So the money is going to be in your wallet, so every time you make a flip, you have to withdraw all of the money and then deposit again, right? As for me, right, I did flip, right? I have to withdraw all the money and then deposit again so that I can have that deposit bonus. Okay, so that is how it's gonna work. So use that, and then when you are done funding, let's say you're funded and you want to join me, I'm going to be giving you guys free signals only for the guys who are joining me for the challenge. I'm gonna open a group, and then I'm gonna put you inside there, and then we're going to be flipping together. Because yeah man, and you can trust me on this one, guys, we're gonna kill the flipping challenge. I don't want to lie. With the skill and the patience that I have, obviously we're gonna kill it. The first account is already on 1.2, so on that other account I'm gonna start flipping 400 rands now, not the 200. I'm going to be upping the risk, because you have to get to the 10k, right? So I'm going to be upping the risk, because now I have 1.2, so I have more money to risk on, and I cannot lose 2 trades in a row. But then if I do, still I'm not going to blow that account, because there's still going to be 400 rands left, so two chances to come back and kill the market, right? And if you want the strategy on how to flip the formula. I did a video, the first video that I posted on the flipping challenge is going to the formula of how we are flipping, and we're flipping Falcon strategy, by the way. So if you're a Falcon trader, which I know majority of your guys follow Falcon, you are free to watch this, because I also do the market analysis and show you how I got onto taking those trades. Okay, so the flipping challenge is very amazing, guys. I'm not complaining in it. I'm very good. As you saw, guys, we just hit that minor setback, which was a lesson to everyone watching this video. Until next time, when you are taking a trade, please mind the spreads, and if you do have a prop firm account, that would be very nice, because the prop firm on Match Trader, they usually show the spreads in the, like, the numbers. It's okay, this one is 3 spread, this one is 40 spreads, so you know how to size your stop loss properly, because stop loss management is another important thing in forex trading. It doesn't end on the technicals alone, but then in the trade management it does have an effect. As you see on me, it did affect me a bit, but then I did come back as a goat, you know the vibe. So guys, yeah man, it's been amazing recording this, and I'm gonna see you on the next flipping challenge. And yeah guys, remember, if you want to join, sign up there, and then send me a screenshot on my WhatsApp. I'm just gonna pop my number there. You're gonna WhatsApp me and then show me that, and then I'm gonna add you on the VIP flipping signal group, right? And then we're gonna flip that money to 10k assured, man. Right, but then you know how forex is a risk at the end of the day. I'm not saying 100% we're going to be able to flip to 10k, but then what we do, we are going to make some money. That is assured, because I'm consistently profitable. I trust my strategy, I trust my system, I trust my psychology to follow rules. So with that, I'm not gonna mess it up, guys. But then eventually you're gonna get 10k, and if you get 10k, guys, I'm not gonna withdraw that money myself. I'm gonna up the risk, maybe push the money to 20 to 30k. I'll see how I'll do it, but then yeah man, yeah, so I hope this video was educational. You did learn a few things in this video, and please, if you're not subscribed and you watch my content and you enjoyed, you can subscribe. And if you're new, guys, this channel is value packed with important information you need to know. So every video I post, is it a day in a life, this kind of videos, all of the videos I post are usually educational. There's no flexing here, man. Everything here is just educational. I'm a growing trader myself, right? I just got recently consistent, and yeah man, it's been nice being creating this content for you guys. And shout out the road to 5k. I believe when I'm posting this video will be already hitting 5k, but then recording this video not at 5k yet. But then hopefully, if you hit that subscribe button, also like the video, so that the algorithm can share the video and also share to your friends. And yeah man, do the most, guys. We've been pushing since last year, and the channel is here now, and thanks to you guys. So guys, I'm gonna see you on the day 3 of flipping challenge.